Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the best health and wellness tips. Today, we're talking about something super important, the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle. You've probably heard the phrase healthy living thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? And why is it so crucial? Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're going to break down how living a healthy lifestyle can transform your body, mind, and overall well-being. Boosts physical health. First up, let's talk about the most obvious benefit, your physical health. Living a healthy lifestyle can have a huge impact on your body. From reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure to boosting your immune system, the benefits are endless. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating regular exercise and balanced nutrition into your routine, you're not only keeping your body fit, but also helping it function more efficiently. You'll feel stronger, have more energy, and be less prone to illness. Enhances mental health. But it's not just about your physical health. A healthy lifestyle also does wonders for your mental health. Exercise has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, boost your mood, and improve sleep quality. Improves mood, reduces anxiety and depression. Eating a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also improve your mental clarity and focus. So, when you take care of your body, you're also taking care of your mind. Increases longevity. Did you know that living a healthy lifestyle can actually help you live longer? That's right. Eating well, staying active, and managing stress can increase your life expectancy. Increases life expectancy. Studies have shown that people who make healthy choices are more likely to live longer and enjoy a better quality of life as they age. So, those small choices you make every day, like choosing a salad over fries or going for a walk, can add up to extra years of good health. Enhances social well-being. Another benefit of a healthy lifestyle that often gets overlooked is the impact on your social well-being. Staying active and healthy can help you stay connected with others, whether it's joining a fitness class, participating in group sports, or just having the energy to hang out with friends and family. Strengthens social connections. When you feel good physically and mentally, you're more likely to be engaged and active in your social life. And strong social connections are a key part of overall well-being. Helps you manage stress. Life can get stressful, and we all know that stress can take a toll on our health. But here's the good news. Living a healthy lifestyle can help you manage and reduce stress. Reduces stress. Exercise is a natural stress reliever, and eating nutritious foods helps regulate your mood and energy levels. Plus, incorporating practices like meditation or yoga can keep your mind calm and help you navigate life's challenges with more ease. Improve sleep quality. And finally, let's not forget about sleep, one of the most important aspects of a healthy lifestyle. When you exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet, you're more likely to enjoy deep, restful sleep. Improve sleep quality. Good sleep is essential for your overall health. It allows your body to repair itself, boosts your immune system, and improves your mood and cognitive function. So, adopting healthy habits during the day can lead to better nights of rest. So, there you have it, 6 amazing benefits of living a healthy lifestyle. From boosting your physical and mental health to enhancing your social well-being and increasing your longevity. The benefits are truly life-changing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which healthy habit you're working on right now. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, everyone!